Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can generate text using this feature on Canva. So I'm just going to go to text here and I'm going to select Magic Write. So select Try It Out here and use 5 or more words to describe what you want to write. I'm just going to select Try an Example. Try another. Okay, there we go. Then I'm going to select Generate, or you can press Control Enter and it's going to generate these like this text. I don't know. Select Insert, and as you can see, it's going to generate some words for your product or like whatever your idea is. And that's pretty much how you can use Magic Write on Canva. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.